The client wanted a specific look where the interior of the cabinetry would match the exterior of the cabinetry, but two different materials. Like the interiors are laminated pressed woods, but she wanted the exterior in the kitchen and the bathrooms to be oak veneer, but stained to a color that matches the interior, which is a great look. I really like it. And for the powder room and the laundry room, it was a solid color laminate interior and an HDF sprayed with the color that matches exterior. But after we had everything approved, weeks down the line, we received an email saying that she actually changed her mind, which threw a huge curveball our way because we were more than halfway in production with approved colors.
Oh no, it went in perfect again. I don't even know what to do with myself.
For this project particularly, we collaborated with a client who had specific ideas, which is good and they're always welcome. But when we go design, it means coordination, sourcing, making sure that everything is on site. It's a bit of project management too when you think about it.
Everything just works out first try. So annoying. It's perfect again. Nice. Very nice. I just want to check something because I'm gonna do the floating shelves in the laundry, but I need the plans for that. Come on. I need a side panel. Because in order for me to put the floating shelf, I have to put first the side panel on the cabinet because the floating shelves go between the cabinet and the wall, but the cabinet has a side panel. So I gotta start with that. 14 by 42. 14 by 42. Let's see. Is this it? Yeah, 14 by 42. Perfect. So we install this first, then we measure the space that's left in between the side panel and the wall, and also cope the shelf to the back wall, which is something that I don't necessarily like to do, but there's no backsplash here, I think. And we want to make it look as clean as possible, even though it requires a little bit more work on the installer's side. It's going to make it look so much better. Look at this beauty. Okay. They did not suffer at all during transportation. It was really nice. Props to Kin for bringing them safely from Montreal to Austin. It's really good. Both sides are perfect. Okay. Let's see now. I'll go measure actually the cabinet if I have to cut the depth of it. So it's gonna have to be 12. 12. I'll just double check because I see no shims behind this cabinet, which is really odd. It means that the wall is perfect. Because if we found a wall that's perfect, this is a first. perfect wall. No shims. Super, super straight. Well, this is gonna make my job a lot easier. Today is very easy. It's an easy breezy day. Wow! It's actually straight. Nice.
You have to have a clear, like, respected process throughout for every project. So when a curveball comes, it is in a priority pile, but we still have to finish what we are currently working on before we are able to insert like work orders as we go. So that created a bit of a delay of about 3 weeks until we were able to pivot in production, because we had to modify all the materials. We had to make sure that now the new interiors are available with our suppliers. So we sent a request for materials. We had a little bit of a snafu there as well. Oh, can I answer? It's Sergio. Yes. I'm answering on camera. Hello? I think it was a butt dial.